Hello guys, in previous lecture we have studied the interface of AutoCAD 2017. Today we are going to see the types of selection windows in AutoCAD for the selection purpose, many commands and their shortcuts. So let's start a lecture with the selection window. There are total 3 types of selection windows in AutoCAD for the selection purpose. They are green window, blue window and selection by fence. Now let's talk about each single window. Let's start with blue window. Blue window is also known as a W polygon or window polygon. This window will appear in blue color. When we click the left mouse button and travel towards right direction, this window will appear. The outline of this window is a solid outline. This window will appear in first and fourth quadrant only. Now let's talk about the green window. Green window is also known as a C polygon or cross polygon. This window will appear in green color. When we click left mouse button and travel towards left, this window will appear. The outlines of this window are dotted. This window will appear in second and third quadrant. Next is selection by fence. For this selection by fence, you have to select any window, blue window or green window. After that, you have to type F enter to activate the fence command. And then with this fence line, you can select any portion or any required area from your drawing space, and then you just have to type enter or you just have to press space bar. Now let's talk about the shortcuts in AutoCAD. As we all know that AutoCAD is a drafting software, so we need to focus on our drawing speed. Hence, shortcuts are provided in AutoCAD. For zoom in and zoom out, we can scroll our middle mouse button or scroll mouse button. For fit to screen option, you have to press Z, enter, E, enter. For pan action, you can click on middle mouse button and travel in the required area, or you can press P enter for that. P enter and travel in the required area. Now next is spacebar or enter. The function of spacebar or enter is to activate the previous command. Ctrl Z is for undo, Ctrl Y for redo. Now on screen I am going to show PDF files of AutoCAD shortcuts which we will use while drawing an object, modifying an object, or while giving the dimensions. We will use this command. This is the list of AutoCAD shortcuts which we are going to use in our AutoCAD software. You can click photo of this PDF or capture screenshot, or you can download this PDF by the link provided in the description box. But remember one thing, learn and remember these shortcuts as we have to use these shortcuts for our future drawings. That's it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed this lecture. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon to get the latest videos. Bye bye.